Hi friends, welcome back to your channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the Mi 11X device versus Realme GT Neo 2 device by using the high performance mode and using the GT mode. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare in this method. Let's see what will be the difference between these both phones. So which can be really good in terms of maintaining the stable performance levels and consistent results. That is what my main focus will be there today's video, and I'll try to use the same kind of options in both phones, which is 100 threads, which I'm trying to use exactly between these both devices. So we're going to see which phone performs what kind of manner, as you can see. So this will give the clear idea what is going on with the MIUI 12.5 enhanced version and Realme UI version as well. And first, before starting the test, it's of 31 degrees Celsius and 30.4 degrees Celsius. So very close, not a huge difference between these both phones regarding the temperatures wise. Now I need to enable the GT mode in the Realme GT Neo 2, and I need to enable the high performance mode in the Mi 11X device. So let's enable the high performance mode in the Mi 11X device. As you can see, high performance mode is turned on successfully. Now let me try to start opening one. Let's start the CPU throttling test 1, 2 and 3. So for 15 minutes the test will go on continuously, friends, with the high performance mode and the GT mode turned on. So now we'll be able to know what is going on with the performance results and how consistent the graph is maintaining and how much higher the temperature is actually increasing. So these are the few things which I'll try to concentrate in this video. So again, I'll be back after some time just to check what is happening with the temperatures wise between these both phones. And both phones are Snapdragon 870 and 8GB RAM variants. So now, as you can see, friends, after getting close to 8 minutes of time, the temperatures of 37 degrees increased in the Mi 11X device and 40.4 degrees increased in the Realme GT Neo 2. So 40 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius in the Mi 11X device. You can clearly see, but if you take a look at the graph, it was really stable in the Realme GT Neo 2. Very consistent level of graph it's maintaining. It's not decreasing like ups and downs. Similarly happening in the MIUI 12.5 enhanced update in this Mi 11X device using this performance mode. As you can see, still it's not maintaining that level of performance. That's the reason why few of the users, they would like to switch to the custom ROMs and they would like to use it in the Mi 11X device. So but you need to be very careful before doing that, because some of the units are getting actually bricked as well. So right now the temperatures of 38 degrees Celsius and 40.6 degrees Celsius. So 2 degrees higher in the Realme GT Neo 2, but that gives you more performance. So more performance, more temperatures. So that is another thing. So again, we'll be back after some time, maybe getting close to 15 minutes of time, then we can actually discuss in more details about the temperatures. But right now I think you got my point, right? What is going on? So performance will be stable in this Realme UI at this moment. So that's 1.6, 40.8 degrees Celsius. So again, we'll be back after some time when it gets close to 15 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, friends, the CPU throttling comparison results between these both phones and the Mi 11X device dropped below 80% of its CPU throttling. You can clearly see comparing with the Realme GT Neo 2 at this stage. And let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this one, and definitely once after the 15 minutes has been finished, we'll be able to compare the final results and final score, so how it's been between these both phones. So right now we're getting close to 15 minutes, so now it's kind of 15 minutes, 14 minutes and 50 seconds kind of close. So let me know in the comments with what are the other phones you want me to compare. So definitely I'll try to do my best to compare with other devices as well. And right now we're about 15 minutes of time exactly we did reach, and the final temperatures, let me try to check, it's about 42 degrees Celsius in the Realme GT Neo 2 and 38 degrees Celsius. The moment I hold this device, I can definitely feel a lot of heat on the backside as well. That's the reason I thought of quickly checking the temperature. So 42 degrees Celsius, the Realme GT Neo 2 did increase up much higher, but that result in the higher performance scores, and which when you compare with the Mi 11X device. So CPU total up to 94% versus 76%, and maximum and average and the minimum. You can try to compare side by side. So average and the minimum is slightly higher in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. This is a quick comparison between both phones regarding the CPU throttling test results. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.